Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn some extra cash with internet connection and a computer. Let's get started. Hey everybody, Shaggy Ideas here, and I'm going to show you how you can make money directly from your home. All you're going to need is a computer, internet connection, and a little bit of clicking, honestly. I have made a total of lifetime. Every point is equal to 1 American cent. So if we add all this together, I have made a total of $396.23. And right now I have $37.61. This wonderful page, I've been using it for quite a while now, called Swagbucks.com. Later on, I'm going to give you guys a referral link that for every amount you earn, I get extra points. So we all earn more in general, and I can keep making more videos to show you guys some tips on how to use the site even better and how to earn more. You could watch advertisement videos, you could watch trailers and anything they have, really, from sports break, gun control, news, politics, TV, hot films. I watched this already, but it gives me 1 Swagbucks. But what I like to do, a little tip I'm gonna give you guys right now, is I just open it in another tab and bam, keep it closed. Or keep it minimized so you could actually, see it in the background, see that it's all working. Because one of the things that happens when you leave it in here is that it tends to freeze up. So you could just be earning money while you're doing homework. And this gets me to another thing I love doing with Swagbucks. It's search engine. When you search, you have a chance of earning 5 Swagbucks, 9 Swagbucks, 25 Swagbucks. I think I've gotten a maximum of around 50 Swagbucks in just one search. So it's not exactly that you're going to earn every time you search, but creating the habit of searching constantly. For example, let's just say you're interested in ways to earn money online, which, by the way, Swagbucks it's actually one of the top sites. It's not #1, I believe, but it's one of the top sites, and I personally love it. I've been using it for quite a while, like I said. And like it says here, I could get surveys. I could do some surveys and get 100 Swagbucks, 25, it depends. I'll go ahead and search for that in a moment. Let me see if I could actually earn something here. It's very random. You could get Swagbucks on your first try, or maybe after the 10th try, and the amount of money you get is very random, but it's like around 5 to 9. Sometimes you get way more. Sometimes you get a little bit less, like 4, but it's more along the lines of 5 to 9 for doing something that you would normally do in Google anyways, which, by the way, I love this search engine. It's very well made. Let's see if I could actually earn something here. Let's see, YouTube. How to record a YouTube video, right? I think that's something I searched a very long time ago. Let me try one last one. If I don't get any Swagbucks on this case, I'll show you guys some screenshots I took before, around a week ago, of some of the cases I got in where I actually earned. There's Swagcode as well, by the way. There's also this little application right here, plugin, I'm sorry. And you could watch videos through here. You could shop through here. Anything you buy, let's just say you buy in Best Buy. If you search for Best Buy online through their website, you could get like a 2% cashback or 5% cashback for every $1. You'll get 5 extra Swagbucks. So whatever you buy through eBay, Amazon, you could get money back just by buying. So if you waste $300, you're gonna have maybe 33 extra bucks, you know, something along those lines, depending on the percentage. There's swag codes. I already redeemed my code, but just to show you guys how it works, let's see if there's a code activated. There's a code, but I already did this one and it expired, but it was something like wine 4x 3s, you know, a weird code. And I would hit redeem and I would get the 2 extra swag bucks right here. And they always have swag codes. I think the maximum I got in swag codes in one try is around 9 swag points. The same plugin just tells you when there's a code, so it's very convenient, you know, just earning some extra dollar by dollar, and super nice. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna show you guys the surveys. Right here, the answers. They also have daily polls. For example, you just get 1 point for this, but you just answer it in literally 5 seconds. How many books would you estimate you read per year? Well, I answered this, so I'm not gonna get extra points for this. There's comment sections and all that where people just talk, to be honest, and talk about the different answers and, you know, socialize about them. But there's surveys right here, 20 minutes and you earned 200 swag bucks. This one's featured, so it went all the way up. Some, you know, some surveys have special, have an exclamation mark, and in this case, you could only use it in desktop, laptop, or tablet. So I'm guessing cell phone is out of the equation. Some surveys, it has happened to me where it goes like, it's only available in Spanish. I'm guessing that's because of my location as well. But surveys don't necessarily mean you're just gonna get the 800 or 80 swag bucks, 50, whatever. It's not necessarily that you're gonna earn them by answering the questions. They could just say that you're not eligible, you're not the kind of person that they're looking for answers. And sometimes you qualify. When you do qualify, you answer all the questions and you get your swag bucks right after finishing. But if you are disqualified, you get swag bucks just for trying. But some of them don't actually permit that, like this one. Let's see if there's anything else. There's 2 more here to 5 more. Surveys in Spanish, surveys in Spanish, another Spanish survey. Very nice, actually. There's a whole bunch of surveys, so you could just, you know, I mean, 20 minutes, you earn $2 extra, you could say. They're not necessarily gonna be 20 minutes, they could be longer, actually, or they could be a little bit shorter. But something like 5 minutes, 25, that's wonderful for me because it's fast on the go, and, you know, 25 for 5 minutes, 25 cents in 5 minutes, when I would be doing nothing, is great. But this is basically my run on Swagbucks, and you know, I'm gonna give you guys the referral link, try it out, give it a shot. I'm gonna show you guys what I usually shop for, and I'm gonna explain why. This is very important. You see, this is something I actually got back. I've spent $3 and I got 6 Swagbucks back. Perfect. Imagine if I was 100. You know, if you're somebody that pays online a lot, this is going to be very good for you, and just for that you should have it. But you should get $25 gift cards, and I'm going to explain why. Redeem your Swagbucks. This is where you actually buy. They have from Burger King, Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Gap, Visa gift cards, PayPal, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Sam's Clubs, Target, and the list goes on and on. They even have some gasoline. Let's see. They even have airport ones. Let's see if I can find them. Airlines. Oh, I missed it. Oh well. You get the point. Oh, Steak and Shake. I've heard that restaurant's pretty good, actually. Haven't actually had the luxury of trying it yet, but one day maybe. They don't actually have them where I live. But the reason I get $25 ones is I've roasted it. Okay, $25 gift cards once a month. They are at 2,200 Swagbucks. 2,200 Swagbucks. You're paying $22 in points for $25 in cash. Just think of that right now. And sometimes they have sales. For example, right now Domino's pizza cards are at 2,000 points. Without that sale, they're just at 2,000. So for $20 worth of points, you're getting $25 in cash for Domino's. Which, if you're gonna eat there anyways, if you usually like going out of Domino's or buying stuff in the Play Store, or going to Olive Garden, or going to Chili's, or going to Starbucks, who doesn't like their coffee? So you could just save up some extra cash by doing all the things you do normally, searching the web, searching for homework. In general, it's just a great website. I've been using it for, I would say, around 2014. I stopped using it for a year. I kind of forgot about it, more or less. No, like 2 years. All these things, they just build up gradually for things that you would do normally on the internet. So give it a shot. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys, and let me know your experience. And I really hope that you guys give it a shot, because there's not much people talking about it on YouTube, and I feel like more people should know about this wonderful site. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on more videos on Swagbucks, because I got upcoming tip videos for you guys on how to earn more. And in the video, I'll leave some pictures, probably at the end, to show you how much I made approximately in a couple of days. I would earn around $150 basically doing nothing, by just watching videos constantly through my desktop and also through my tablet. So they also have applications for this website. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned to Shaggy Ideas, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated on more videos on tips, tricks, life, and anything self-betterment, economy-wise, or anything to start you guys off on the right foot is 2019 and the rest of your life. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, spread this video around, and give Swagbucks a try. You're definitely not going to regret it. And you lose nothing. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.